Dear students, please welcome to my as a part of first year geography, introduction, fundamentals of geography. Today we'll be discussing about career opportunities for geographers. The outline of my lecture is introduction, career opportunities for geographers, let's say, career opportunities for geographers, conclusion, and some reference at the end. The main learning outcomes of this session are students will be able to appreciate significance of geography, context of careers, and they will be able to identify the areas or sectors where geographers can make their careers in India. Let us understand geography in the context of careers. Geography is one of the oldest and the fastest growing field of knowledge, as a result of which it is regarded as the mother of all science. The very important advantage of geography and the advantage to geographers is both and physical. As a result, scope of geography is very vast. Now, to make career into geography, you are a really good geographer. Now, who is a geographer? Geographer is one who has sound knowledge of geology, biology, botany, chemistry, astronomy, mathematics, ecology, economics, political, name it. You need to have knowledge of one or the other discipline because geography is a multidiscipline. It does not have its own content. It borrows content from other disciplines and makes its own identity with the help of regional analysis, spatial analysis. As a result, geography stands have bright career opportunities. Now, before we understand career opportunities in India, let's understand the career opportunities available to geographers in the United States of America. According to the University of California, geographers are having numerous career opportunities. There, geographers are working as teachers, area specialists, cartographers, urban planners, location analysts, environmental planners, GIS analysts, GIS specialists, transportation planners, remote sensing specialists, emergency management study of geographers in America. Now let's look at what kind of careers geographers can do. Yes, the comparison cannot be made with the United States of America because they are in a far, far, far better position for careers. But despite of many hindrances and hurdles, geography also gives big scope to make their careers in India also. The most famous or most popular department where geographers can get into or can make their careers is teaching department. So geographers can work as teachers at different levels, higher secondaries, colleges, and in qualifications required for school, higher secondary, near colleges, and are. Similarly, those who are not interested to join teaching department, they can always get into the higher studies, search from any Indian university, foreign university. They can register and PhD. They can make their career research and join some research organization of international. Now, golden opportunity for those who wants to serve the motherland. They can join Indian Army and Navy. Geography gives a special opportunity to get into these organizations. Let's see how. Indian Defence Services conducts special examinations under Short Service Commission for women as Women's Special Entry. The minimum qualification required for particular career is MA/MSc Geography. The women should not be married. Their age should be 19 years. Similarly, Army Education Corps, a very important division in Indian Army, also gives an opportunity both male as well as female to work here as instructors. Minimum qualification required is MA/MSc Geography. Age should not be more than 28 years. They can be married or then moving next. Indian Army provides an opportunity to join as commission officer in meteorological branch through fast track selection. Here also required qualification MSc age less than 25 years and they need to. Indian Air Force provides opportunity short service commission both for men and women as ground duty officer. Qualification is MA/MSc. Age should be less than 25 years and they need to be unmarried. These are the opportunities available to photographers and Air Force. I think we come forward and grab. Then comes the next. Next is very important component of or very important component for geographers to make their career. What is that? Get into top level jobs like UPSC, that is Union Public Service Commission, state service commissions like Goa Public Service Commission, LIC, banking, railway, etc. Competitive examination. In all these competitive examinations, there is one paper called General Knowledge. This general knowledge paper makes geography to an extent of 30%, meaning questions asked in general knowledge to an extent of 30%, they come from geography. If you are good in geography, I'm sure you'll be able to face the examination very systematically. You can get through your LIC, banking, and railway board examination and make your career into this area. Then the next opportunity where geographers can make their career is planning department. Now, this is an opportunity available to the graduates. What they need to do is, after completing post-graduation, they need to complete this course in Masters of Regional. Now, this course is available in universities, but very important is Master of Regional Planning is also available in Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. You can do MRP, popularly known as from IIT Kharagpur. Once you then you can join state as well as central planning department. Good opportunity for geography. I'm an engineer, so a student who gets into arts after 10th standard cannot dream of becoming an engineer. But after completing MA and going through Masters of Regional Planning, that is MRP, a normal art student can also become and join planning the and make the her own career. Environment and ecology are integral components of geography. Geographic research is incomplete without environment and ecology. Suppose geographer, if he acquires some more courses, certificate courses or diploma courses, ecology and environment through organizations like IGNO, Indira Gandhi National University, they can surely join industry and non-governmental organizations in the field of ecology. Tourism, a place like Goa, where about 80 lakh people visit every year, tourism provides ample job opportunity. Student with geography background can do wonders in tourism. So the geography students can work as travel agents, they can work as tour operators, they can work as tour guides, can become the holiday consultants, they can become travel managers, they can open money exchange, ticket booking counters, etc. Apart from that, there are many other jobs what our geography can do. They are able to handle this particular area very well because they understand the local conditions better than. else. Then geographers have an opportunity to join Survey of India, state survey departments, National Sample Survey Organization, Census of India, and other private organizations through some competitive examination geography background. Then moving next, in the age of globalization and privatization, geographers have great opportunity in marketing. So our geographers can explore this area to make their careers because, as I said earlier, geographers understand the market. Geographers can understand market psychology better than any other person. Therefore, they can make their career in marketing. Geographical information cartography. These are the fastest growing technical branches of geography. This branch of geography has changed the entire nature and character of the world. The future jobs will be created in GIS and remote sensing cartography. The world is developing on the lines of GIS and remote sensing cartography. You can complete a course in GIS and remote sensing, have better chances of making a career in. Conclude, geography has traveled a long distance from discovery has become analytical. Technology has made inroads into the subject, hence, geography provides an ideal platform for careers. Best all the geographers come forward, take advantage of the platforms what geography